Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today we're going to make crispy chicken bites, chicken nuggets, whatever you want to call them. It's crispy, boneless chicken breast, fried. So sit back, relax, grab your favorite beverage, and we'll get to cooking. Okay guys, I got some lard over here rendering or melting down. You want to use a good heavy bottom pan, cast iron preferably. I don't have a big cast iron, but I do have my big stainless steel, my favorite pan. It's a really nice, real thick bottom pan. So we're going to heat the oil up in that. You can use olive oil, vegetable oil, peanut oil, any kind of oil you want. My choice is lard. I just think it gives a better flavor. So we got our chicken here, cut into little chunks. That's how I like mine. You can use this on whole pieces of chicken and stuff. And then next thing we're going to need is some flour. Got the flour there. We got some egg wash. Just beat up some eggs. And then I use seasoned Pinko, the breadcrumbs there. That's the panko. Okay, so nobody ever said I can talk. I can cook, just can't talk. So once this oil gets up to temperature, we'll bring you all back and we'll show you what we do to get it cooking. Alright y'all, got our cooking oil there nice and hot. We're going to take a piece of chicken, dip it down in the flour there, kind of like that. Throw it into the egg wash, like that, get it good and coated. Put it over here under our breadcrumbs. Make sure it's good and coated in the breadcrumbs. Shake it off just a hair, and throw her down in there. Just keep wash, rinse, repeat. Make sure everything's all coated good. Yes, I'm making a mess of my stove. My housekeeper's going to kill me, but it'll be alright. So. And just like I said, just keep on trucking with it. A little flour. A little bit of egg. A little bit of breadcrumb. There you go. Alright, you guys get the gist. I'm going to shut the camera off and keep on filling the pan here. And we'll bring you back when we get some of these done. Alright y'all, there we have it. Plate full of deliciousness. Sorry I didn't bring you back during the cooking, but it gets to be pretty fast paced. Once you get these things going, especially these small pieces, they cook pretty quick. And they, as you're putting 2 or 3 in, you're pulling 2 or 3 out, It's left, right, and sideways. Sometimes it's easier to have a helper or somebody to take them out while you're putting them in, but it's just me chilling solo. So there you have it. Look at that deliciousness. Alright, y'all. There you have it. Plate full of deliciousness. You know, yum yum. So I'm going to take a bite. Got me a nice little one here. That's good and crunchy. Great flavor. Now if y'all want, you can get your favorite dipping sauce, barbecue sauce, hot mustard, whatever. I prefer them plain because that seasoned panko makes them good and crispy. I love them, man. So there you have it, y'all. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for stopping by and checking out what I'm cooking today. Remember, if you're new to the channel here, please hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, get all the notifications for everything I do, either here in the kitchen, out in the garage, or out on the road, you know. So we do all kinds of stuff. And don't forget about my weekly Sunday live stream, 7 p.m. Eastern Time. We talk about everything, cooking, everything, mechanical work. We may do a little eating on there too sometimes. You know what I'm talking about. So, alright, catch y'all on the next one. Like I said, thank you for stopping by, and bon appetit.